Good evening, everyone. The topic of tonight's video is how to open latch style switch housings. These are the kind of housings you'll find on such switches like halos and box switches. Here's a Kailh Pro Burgundy switch, for example. Let me zoom in, show. So as you can see, this switch has a latch style top, meaning that there is a wing on each side of the switch that's all one big wide piece that locks into place, rather than having four separate little pieces that lock into place like a regular Cherry MX style switch. So a lot of people have a hard time opening these. I thought I would show you a couple of tricks that have worked well for me opening these. First way is with your fingernails. So as you may notice, my fingernails are kind of long right now. If you let your fingernails grow out, you can use this technique. So first you pop one side open, and then hold that side that you've already opened very firmly between your fingers. Squeeze it to keep it from snapping back shut again, and then pop the other side. So you can see it's not too bad. It's a fairly effective way of doing it. Let me get some cups set up here for the switches as I take them apart. So do another one. Do one side, squeeze it, do the other side. That's not too bad when you get used to it. You can go pretty quickly. It's not bad. So the next technique I want to show you, if you don't have long fingernails, or if you just don't like that technique, if it's uncomfortable, you can take a box cutter, and it's almost the same idea. It's just instead of your fingernail, you're using a box cutter. The other thing about the box cutter is you can stick it in there kind of far, and when you open that side, you can open it really far, and that makes it easier to keep it from snapping back shut when you do the other side. So once again, you're going to pinch the side that you did already to keep it from snapping back together, and then you're going to go do the other side. So it's super easy. Super easy, pretty fast. It's pretty quick. So hopefully one or both of these techniques will be helpful to you and make your job a little bit easier when you're opening your switches. Now, just for the sake of demonstration, I'll also do this to a couple of halo switches, because that's probably one of the more popular latch style housings, with everybody making their different kinds of Holy Panda variations these days. So same technique works the same. You just pop one side, pop the other side, Gucci. Alright, well, I hope that helps.